back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be working on the 10th gen Honda Civic. We're going to be increasing the turbo noise using this blow-off valve adapter plate. This hooks up to the stock diverter valve and it's going to give you a lot of nice turbo noises, and it's only less than $20, which is really cheap. So with the hood open, we're going to look for the stock diverter valve, which is right over there. So you're going to install this blow-off valve adapter plate in between the diverter valve and the turbo itself. So let's go ahead and remove that and put this on. One tool that will really help is this ball end 5mm hex. So since it's a ball end, you'll be able to come in at any angle. So the diverter valve is off now. I'm going to go ahead and put the gasket part of it facing towards the turbo. So it's going to go in this way, and then this side is going to cover the back like so. So this is universal. You can put it upside down or either way. I'm going to put the 3 holes facing towards the driver's side so that we hear it more towards us, and then the 2 holes facing towards the front ways. I painted this black just so it looks a little more concealed and smog people won't be asking questions about it. So we have the blow-off valve adapter plate on right over there. Everything is tightened down. All 3 bolts are in. So the good news is you don't have to worry about any check engine lights. You don't have to tune the car. You can run this with stock turbo, stock tune. Not going to get any check engine lights, not going to have any issues. I've been running this setup for 2.5 years now, no issues at all. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go listen to how it sounds. Sounds pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have plenty of Civic videos, mods, maintenance, repairs, all kinds of good stuff, so please check out my channel if you're interested. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.